Welcome back, you guys. Welcome to our channel, cuzuvmcvoy. This is part 3 of our Vegas trip.
It's our third day here in Vegas, and we decided we would check in to Treasure Island. Let's give it to Edwin. He's gonna give us a room tour.
You have your safety deposit box and your fridge. You have one king-size bed. We are in a corner room, so we have two views, two windows facing Las Vegas Boulevard or the Strip. It's already 11 o'clock at night. So, right across is Wynn Hotel and Fashion Mall Shopping Center. You got your vanity table, your TV.
What do you think you're doing?
I'm vlogging the vlogger.
Welcome to my room.
And one king-size bed.
One king-size bed just for me.
So this is a deluxe room in Treasure Island Resort, Las Vegas, Nevada.
Actually, it is the house room.
Okay, they call it a house room maybe because it's a corner, room. So you got two views. And their
Did you show them
bathroom.
the fridge?
Yeah. So basic amenities, toiletries. And your shower tub combo.
Morning! Honey! Ano ba yan? Paparazzi ka naman! Honey! Vegas!
Morning, guys. Breakfast time.
Okay,
It's already 9:30. November 23. Black Friday sale.
Black Friday! Breakfast.
We have pancakes, we have over hard egg. This is included in the pancake tower. And mine is an all-American breakfast. Yummy! We have coffee and also some jams. And butter. Let's eat. Pot of coffee. Let's eat. Good morning. In-room breakfast time. I'm having an all-American breakfast, which includes 2 sunny side up, hash brown, and bacon, 3 pieces. And Daddy ordered a pancake tower, which is choice of eggs times 2. He ordered over hard egg. It includes 3 sausage patties and 1 piece of bacon and 4 pieces of fluffy pancakes. It includes the honey, syrup, cream, and also 2 choices of jam. We also ordered coffee. It's a pot of coffee which serves 4 cups. And this costs $64 total, inclusive of a $9 in-room charge, service charge. This is Treasure Island in-room breakfast. All-American breakfast is $19.95. The Pancake Tower is $19.95. And the pot of coffee is around $10 per pot. Condiments are free of charge. Let's eat! Yummy! The American breakfast, you have a choice of a piece of toast, wheat, white, rye, or English muffin. So I ordered English muffin instead. There you go. Yeah. Then I have one of the sausage patty. We have not made the bed yet. Look, it's a mess. And I'm not gonna show myself again, although you've seen me in the other one. That's enough. Thanks. Won't come out then. Ah! Oh my gosh, I poured everything. Tagal. Ang tagal mo, Ed. Mag-prepare. Binaliktad. Maliwanag. Mga ilang oras na ba ako? 3 oras? Mayo ako. Dali na lang. Ay, mandar!
Black Friday sale rush hour. Heavy traffic. Everybody wants to grab the best deals. This is our view from our room in Treasure Island Resort and Hotel. So right across our hotel is the Fashion Show Mall. And as you can see, there's a lot of heavy traffic because of the sale, Black Friday sale. So we don't have to leave or drive going to the mall. We'll just have to cross that connecting bridge from our hotel to the mall, directly to the mall. And you can cross using the other bridge going to Wynn Resort and Hotel, and then there's another bridge across going to Palazzo Resort and Venetian Hotel. And there's the Palazzo. This is a good location because everything's close by or walking distance. We don't have to drive. So that bridge, that's where we're gonna cross over to the mall.
Next time on Cuzuvmcvoy.